Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, I'm gonna do an unboxing of a soundbar, of a speaker bar that I bought from Lazada. And this one only cost 564 pesos, including delivery. And in US dollars, that's around $10. Okay, just $10. And I read the reviews on this, and that made me buy the product because it has lots of good reviews. More than 100 buyers already attest that the sound quality is very good. So with that, we're gonna do some unboxing. So actually we bought 3 of this. So it arrived, the ordering was very fast. Apparently the shop is already here in Metro Manila, and it only took them 48 hours to process my order online. So this is it. So we ordered 3 of this. So I already removed the other one, and let's see how the quality of the soundbar goes. So this is the soundbar that I bought. We bought 3 of this. The brand name is Tylex model XM19. Okay, it's a wireless speaker, but it could also be wired. It has a 3.5 jack that comes with it, and also a USB to charge the speaker. So let's open this one. Okay, so it comes with a nice box actually, and then it has a foam to protect it for during delivery. And I'm gonna put this aside. It has a nice plastic protector inside, and if we remove it, so this is how the XM19 speaker, wireless speaker, looks like. I bought the white one. They have 3 other colors. They have the pink, the blue, and the black. Of course, there's always a black. So I bought the white one. So what else? I'm gonna show you the accessories. So it only has 2 accessories. Okay, so one is the USB to charge the device, and it's a 2.5 jack. You could jack it in your PC or laptop. If you need to jack it in your cell phone, you need a converter, because the Android cell phone has a 3.5 jack, and if you need to plug it in your iPhone, you need another jack for the converter jack for the iPhone. Okay, but this is Bluetooth, so this is they're promoting it as a wireless speaker. So let's test the quality. Oh wait, before we test the quality, let's see the controls here and some IOs, in-outs. So let's check at the back. So at the back, you have the SD card. So if you want to listen to continuous music, you just insert your SD card here. This one is the USB port, so in case you need to charge it. And then the other one is the 2.5 jack plug. Okay, so on top, so this is the Tylex, sorry. So it's a Tylex white speaker. So this is the volume and also the power control knob thingy. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. how do you find the quality? So I find the sound bar, the XM19 speaker, wireless speaker, to be a good quality speaker. If you try to maximize it, and if you have good recordings available, it really stands out when you use this speaker. Now there's a reason why I'm showing this to you guys. I'm gonna lower down the volume. The reason why I'm showing this to you is that when you do your editing and you just connect this in your Bluetooth, and when you're editing and you want to listen to your audio in your video, instead of using a headset, you could use this to check if whenever viewers are using a speaker as their audio out. Okay, so aside from headsets, you could also use this to check your audio quality in your video production. Turn it off. So that's the unboxing of the Tylex wireless speaker, the speaker bar. So I hope you like it. I like this product. We bought 3, so the 2 we're gonna use it. I'm gonna give it as a gift to my customers, and basically that's it. So I think I'm gonna buy 2 more because I have 2 more customers that I'm gonna give few gifts because they deserve it and they are very good customers of mine. So that's the unboxing of the Tylex wireless speaker bar. So again, this is Charlie Jose, and you watch another episode of UpStreamCharlie. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.